All right, Christian. So it's very glad to see you here. And I wanted to ask you about, especially on the new artificial intelligence features that you're building inside Agiloft. Can you just give you just a brief on how are you using it on the CCLM system?
Okay, so Pepe, the AI features we have built, we call them the AI core, which is quite an enhancement on extension to Agiloft. It is another, you could say, no-code platform for no-code development of AI features that you then build into your workflows. And for CCLM, that means we have started with a very CLM-centric view, where we say we want to use AI to automate contracts. So we can do metadata extraction, meaning you feed a contract document to the AI and it tells you what data is in there and extracts it. You can do clause extraction, risk scoring, you can classify your documents. But this is only the first step, because the platform can really do so much more. Just like with Agiloft, you can implement a CLM, but you can also implement all the other systems and build a CCLM.
Yeah.
And with the AI core, you get also access to many machine learning models, modern ones on the big platforms, Amazon, Google, Microsoft.
Got it.
And you can integrate them with your data in your Agiloft platform. With a few mouse clicks, actually, can train a new algorithm and then use it to make predictions, and then use the results from these predictions to automate your workflows.
That's amazing. And like how easy it is to configure it with Agiloft, like for current clients, and they tell us like, we want this kind of features, like how hard is it to configure it?
Okay, so we have 3 types of services here on this platform. One is the out-of-the-box ready-made models. What I just explained is clause extraction. For example, you feed this a contract, it extracts all the clauses and names them and puts them in a database. And that doesn't need much knowledge. So there will be documentation, but in the end it's a few mouse clicks and creating a new workflow, and this thing just works. Then the other service is that we have these pre-configured algorithms.
Yeah.
So we have algorithms with all these names like blazing text and KNN and NTM and so on. So they sound very weird, but they all do classification or regression, so statistical things with your data. And those need to be trained on your data, which is also in itself very easy with a few mouse clicks.
Yeah.
But you have to, of course, think about the use case, what exactly you want to do with it. So, and that's something we will do over the next few months, and make more case studies available to show how powerful the AI actually is. So the third service that we implement is actually a customization service, where you as a client would come to us and say, well, I see here metadata extraction, and it can extract data from NDAs, but I need these 5 other items as well. And by the way, I have 2 other contract types you don't support yet. Can you do that for me? And then we would modify the AI for you. So that's how we believe it will be the best way to get you started.
Got it. Nice. All right. I think it's going to save a lot of money and save a lot of time to all the people in the legal departments within any kind of enterprise.
Yes, that's actually the idea. Significant productivity gains.
Amazing. All right. So thanks a lot, Christian.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. There you go. Work.